Day 3 SETI Cipher Challenge Control Room Summary.
So after some time today working out how to rearrange the cipher and realising that it was actually a diamond as opposed to a square from previous days, we discovered that there was again a picture of the aliens, but again it seemed to be a different species. So the aliens appear to be some kind of ant-like creature, although they seem to have some kind of lobster-like claws, so they're very different again to the previous two aliens. And we know now, since this morning, that the first two sets of coordinates actually point to two different points in space. One of them is Tabitha's star, which has actually been suggested to have alien megastructures around it, such as Dyson spheres. So perhaps we're actually looking at totally different species from totally different planets of origin. But since then we've also worked out there are several parts to the cipher as well as that, as in previous days. And we've discovered that there's a constant in the first part of the cipher, which is the Feigenbaum constant, which seems to relate to chaos. The universe is just so vast. No, it's not, it's coming down. Not that way, other way.
Welcome back. So there has been a lot of progress with the cipher of today. Very late in the, probably about 3 or 4. A couple of teams realized that the big part of the message involved a kind of code, a kind of system, something to relate to a game of life, and it relates to how a system behaves once you have a definite set of rules. And one of the teams actually realized that the encoded message gave this rule. It's actually called, what we call here on Earth, Rule 86. And it's one of the possibly 256 combinations of these rules. Why? We don't know. Why is that specific rule they have sent to us? We would never know. And finally, something that we haven't figured out yet is that there's two parts, one in the cipher from the first day and the last part of the cipher today, that hasn't been cracked yet. There's still a lot of points and a lot of things to do there. There's a lot of speculation about how they will be coordinates.